The title of today's essay is Due to increasing demand for oil and gas has made it necessary to look for these sources of energy in remote areas and untouched natural places. Do you think advantages of this locating oil and gases outweigh the disadvantages? This is title. Now we will write intro. It is true that the demands for energy are becoming greater than ever and people are advisable to find out new source of oil and gas in distant and isolated regions. I think drawbacks of this phenomena are more in comparison to benefits because of extension of landscapes and increasing amount of carbon dioxide. This is intro. Now we will write BP1, in which we will write one point which is related to negative aspect of this phenomena. Okay, to begin with, firstly there are major problems with exploiting untouched and remote areas. One issue is that we will end up potentially jeopardizing which are beautiful landscapes. For instance, an area which countries would like to drill is the Antarctic, homes to many glaciers and animals such as polar bear and penguins. Drilling here would harm the habitat and in participation and spillage would be disastrous to the environment. Antarctica is a place where if people do drilling or people try to find sources where the certain species of animals like polar bears and other species which are near verge of extinction, if people try to find resources from there, it can cause destruction to these type of natural habitat. Okay, now we will write second paragraph. Furthermore, due to health issues and global warming, we should no longer be seeking to use such forms of energy. It is evident that the use of these fuels on a wide scale has led to the pollution of many cities and the subsequent poor health of its citizens, where where car usage is so high. Also, carbon dioxide is getting released into the atmosphere and this may be endangering our very existence. Therefore, the aim to use more eco-friendly options such as wind and sun power and electricity for car is required. Okay, on the flip side, there are some benefits also associated if people wish to improve their living standards, particularly in developing countries, and fuels such as oil and gas allow this as they enable the heating of homes, the running of cars and planes, and the production of goods. All of those results in higher living standards, and thus it is needed to find new sources since they are eventually running out. Positive aspect, it is mentioned that these sources are required because for running of the vehicle as well as for household uses. Now we will write conclusion. In conclusion, exploitation of unexplored areas and climate change are the reasons of more negatives of searching oil and gas in far-flung areas.